Hi guys, it's Sheena here, and today I'm going to be guiding you through a yoga flow for tired and sore muscles. So this is a great workout to do after another one of your workouts, and if you want to just cool it down and find some length in the body, or maybe even after one of my workouts. So we're gonna go ahead and get started in a child's pose today. So come to your child's pose, and you can go ahead and either bring knees to touch here, or a little bit wider, whatever feels better for your low back today. And let's just take about 5 grounding breaths in child's pose. So really lengthening through the spine here. On the inhales and on the exhales, just breathing, letting it go and melting closer to the ground. And if you'd like for these last 3 breaths, option to make this an active child's pose by coming up onto the fingertips here, tenting up. Another great option I love is to even flip the palms to face up. This is really going to bring you some length in the shoulders. One more breath here. Good, guys. Wherever you are, go ahead and come back to the palms of the hands here. We're going to gently push up into the palms of the hands, making our way to a neutral tabletop all fours. So from here, bring the knees to come about hip distance. And from a flat spine, we're going to come to a little cat-cow child's pose flow. So on your next inhale, drop your belly, gaze up, shoulder blades pull down and away from the ears. Exhale to curl and round. On your next inhale, we're going to bring hips straight to the heels for child's pose. And on the exhale, we're just going to push up and come straight back to that tabletop. So let's go ahead and do that about 3 more times. It's okay if your pace is different than mine. What I'd really like for you to focus on is exploring movement in your own body here. Whether that means taking an extra breath in child's pose, or taking an extra round of cat-cow, maybe coming up on the fingertips in your cat pose. We'll take one more here. Then we'll all meet back in that tabletop. Let's go ahead and thread the needle here, guys, on the shoulders. So go ahead and firm up into that left arm. Take a big inhale, reach your right arm high to the sky. This time we're gonna exhale it back behind us. So imagine you're high-fiving someone behind you, opening up through the right side body. On your next inhale, reach the right arm high. And now we're going to thread it through the left, bringing that right forearm down to the ground. Let's take 2 deep breaths here. You can go ahead and walk that left hand out in front of you, or maybe swing it back behind your low back if that feels good. Let's gently push into the left palm here. Let's unwind on the inhale, reach long. Exhale to your tabletop, all fours. Good, we're gonna do that on the other side. Take a big inhale, reach that left arm high. Exhaling it back behind you. Notice how I'm really lifting up and over to the left side. Inhale to reach it long to the sky. Exhale to place it through the right, threading the needle here. Now try and keep your weight even between both hips. We don't want to dump all the way onto the right side or the left side. Breathe. One more breath. Take a big inhale to unwind, reach that left arm high. And exhale it down, tabletop, all fours. Good, y'all. Let's go ahead and tuck the toes behind us, and we'll inhale to our downward dog. Stay in down dog for the exhale. We won't be here long. One more big breath. Maybe you nod the head yes, shake the head no to relieve tension from the neck. On your next inhale, bend into your knees and gently walk your feet to meet your hands, standing forward fold. Let's take a standing fold variation here. So go ahead and interlace your fingers and we're going to bring them to the nape of our neck here. This is really going to help let that neck hang completely heavy. And think about connecting your stomach to your upper thighs. Great, y'all. Release your hands down to the ground. We're going to inhale up for a halfway lift variation. So bring your hands to your shins. And from here, I'm going to bring my arms out to a big T. Exhale here. And then let's keep all the weight in the heels as we inhale to rise all the way tall, upward salute. Bring your palms to touch. This time, exhale to bring the hands down to heart center mountain pose, Tadasana. Roll the shoulder blades back. Good, y'all. This time we're going to come to palm tree pose. So on your inhale, reach tall through your fingertips. Come up onto the tippy toes. Maybe look up at the hands. And then exhale, bring your heels down, swan dive, and forward fold over the legs. Inhale for your halfway lift variation. Exhale to bring arms out to T. We're going to take that through once more. This time we're going to inhale straight to our palm tree pose. Find length, get as tall as you can. Exhale, swan dive over the legs, forward fold. Notice how you find more space in the hamstrings. Each time we're going to do this one more time. Inhale to a half lift. Exhale out to T. Inhale through your tall mountain and all the way up, palm tree pose, reach, retreat. Exhale, swan dive, let everything hang heavy, let it go. Good, y'all. Let's inhale for a traditional halfway lift here. And exhale to fold down. We'll take it back to downward dog. Let's just take one breath in downward dog. Exhale to let it go. Let's inhale to lift the right leg high. Exhale to step it through the hands, low crescent lunge. We're going to plant that left foot down and inhale to warrior one. So if you don't want to bring the arms up here, you can just go ahead and bring them to the hips. And this time we're going to exhale straight to a triangle pose. So dive forward with that right hand and then bring it down towards the ground, the ankle, the shin. Breathe. One more breath. On your next inhale, squeeze your tummy. We're going to reverse our triangle here, bringing that left hand down the left leg, reach that right arm high. On the exhale, we're just going to take it straight back to triangle. So this is our little triangle, reverse triangle dance. We're going to do that twice more. Squeeze your obliques. Inhale to lift through center, reverse Trikonasana. Exhale, Trikonasana. Pull that left hip back. Last time here, inhale, reverse. Exhale, triangle. Good, y'all. Inhale to look down at your right toes. As gracefully as you can, exhale to step to a standing forward fold. Let's inhale to roll up, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, plant your palms. We'll meet back in downward dog. And we'll just take one breath in downward dog. Inhale here. Exhale, let it go. Inhale to reach your left leg high. Exhale, step it through your hands, low crescent lunge. Spiral that right foot down. Inhale to your warrior one or your warrior one variation. Lift the chest. We'll exhale to spin open to our triangle pose. So pulling that left hip back as I reach my left hand down. One more breath here, settle in. Let's go ahead and inhale to reverse our triangle. Reach that right hand down the right leg. Keep a soft bend in the left knee. Exhale, triangle pose. Good, guys. Twice more. Inhale, reverse. You can keep the eyes closed here. Exhale, triangle. Last time. Inhale. And exhale, forward. Good, y'all. Inhale to look down at the left toes. Broaden your shoulders. Exhale, standing forward fold. Let it go. Good. Inhale for a halfway lift. Exhale, fold, plant the palms. I'll meet you in downward dog. Let's take one more breath in down dog. Inhale. Exhale, relax, let it go. Good, guys. Let's go ahead and lower down to all fours, tabletop. We're going to come off of the hands for this one. So gently come to sit on your heels towards the back of the mat. And we're going to do a heart opener, dancing camel. So I'll show you a couple of variations here. So go ahead and bring your hands to your low back here. And then puff your chest out, rolling the shoulder blades down the back. Gently come up to a kneeling position. From here, go ahead and tuck the toes behind you. And if you have any knee pain, you can double up your mat here or even put a blanket underneath you. From here, let's go ahead and inhale to lift the heart as we reach through the crown of the head. Good, keep breathing. And we'll exhale to just come back to a neutral spine. From here, we're going to go ahead and bring the left hand down to the left thigh, the left shin, or the left ankle. So take a big inhale, reach the left hand down wherever it's comfortable for you. And we're going to reach that right arm all the way overhead as we lift through the chest. On the exhale, we're just going to sweep that right arm down, come through center, and then inhale to reach the right hand down with the left arm reaching overhead. Really lift through the hips, lift through the heart. Exhale to come through center. Good. We're going to do that again. Inhale, reach, reach, reach. Exhale down. Inhale. If you're taking that modification, you can just rest your right hand on your right thigh here. Exhale down. Last time here. Inhale forward. Exhale down. Inhale forward. Option to keep the head in line with the spine, or just throw it back. Notice what feels better for you. Exhale down. Well done. Let's bring the hands back to the low back, untuck the toes, and come back to sit on the heels. Good, guys. From here, we're going to bring the legs out under us to come in front of us. And we're going to take a little twist before we lower down. So go ahead and extend your left leg out in front of you. Bring that right knee in towards the chest. Let's go ahead and cross the right foot over the left thigh. Reach that right hand back behind you. Take a big inhale, reach the left arm long. Exhale to hug the right knee in towards the chest. Keep the spine long. Make sure you're not arching through the spine here. Inhale to find length through the crown of the head. Exhale to twist a little deeper. Good, y'all. Inhale to unwind. And exhale to bring that right leg out in front of you. Let's switch sides here, extending that right leg long, trying to keep those right toes flexed and bringing the left knee in as close to the chest as possible. Then we're going to cross it over the right upper thigh, bringing the left hand back behind us. Inhale the right arm high. Exhale to hug that right knee in. If you'd like a little more here, you can bring that right elbow to the outside of the left knee and just gently push away. Breathe. Inhale to get even taller. Exhale to twist a little deeper. Good, guys. Inhale to unwind here. And exhale to bring the left leg out in front of you. Let's go ahead and give both legs a little shake. And from here, we'll gently roll down onto our backs. Once you get down onto your back, bring your knees into your chest. And before we rest, we'll just take some leg circles with the legs. You can go in one direction with both knees here. Nice little massage for the low back as well. And then switch directions. And then we can go ahead and bring our knees out wide as if we're gonna do a happy baby, but we'll just make some big circles with them here. So going in one direction, but keeping that tailbone planted. And then switching directions. Good, y'all, go ahead and bring the knees into the chest one more time. Give yourself a tight squeeze here, maybe bringing that upper body off the ground. And let's release into Shavasana, extending the legs out long in front of you, bringing arms down by the sides here, and really taking up as much space as you need today. Letting go of the breath, and noticing what's shifted for you in the body energetically. This is the beginning of our practice. Take a few breaths together. As long as you have time for. But if you're ready to come out and go on with the rest of your day, you can begin to make some small movements here, waking up the body, maybe rolling the neck from side to side. Gently bringing those knees back into the chest. From here, we'll make our way to fetal position, rolling over to one side. And at your own time, gently use your hand to push you up, and we'll make our way to a comfortable seat. Thank you so much for following along with me today. I hope you're feeling better after that flow. And from my heart to yours, namaste. Make sure you check out more classes on our app, Yoga Plus. You can start your free 2-week trial today. I'll see you there.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the pose library. Yoga Plus by Psychetruth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psychetruth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.